Mutual Money Matters.
Hello listeners, and a very warm welcome back to Old Mutual Money Matters. We have Old Mutual's internal trainer, Hulda Hinju, with us, and she's going to be answering a question that I think has been on a lot of listeners' minds at the moment during the pandemic, and that is maintaining your car, home and household insurance when one is on a tight budget. Hulda, please may I ask you to give our listeners an indication of how to match their short-term insurance to a tight budget?
Hi Dion. Well, just some basic tips that I can suggest are don't claim for everything all the time. It makes sense that insurers look at both the cost and the frequency of claims. If you have not claimed for a number of years, you will attract a lower premium. Insurance is there to help customers manage the sudden and unforeseen crisis that can cripple them financially. Regular and high-value claims will result in an increased premium and will, over the long term, cost more than covering the occasional small incidental damages or losses yourself. It all seems obvious, but we do tend to forget these things.
Hulda, we've previously spoken of claims being rejected. Can you elaborate on what can assist individuals in that respect?
Maintenance is king. A lot of claims are rejected when customers have not adequately maintained their properties or vehicles. Insurance is not a maintenance plan. Consumers should maintain their property at all times to prevent claims from being rejected as a result of wear and tear or poor maintenance. It is always a contractual requirement for a consumer to apply a duty of care in managing their insured assets.
So Hulda, let's talk about restructuring your car, home and household insurance when cash is tight.
Well, firstly, you could take on a higher voluntary excess to reduce monthly premiums in tough times. Reducing cover to third party and theft only can substantially reduce the premium of comprehensive packages while still enjoying substantial cover. Diarize that you update your car, home and household insurance cover once a year. As the content and value of your possessions change, as things break, get lost or are replaced, be sure that the detail and the value of your household contents are correctly indicated on your inventory sheet and covered accordingly on your policy. Customers who do not update their contents and its values regularly often pay unnecessary premiums, either on possessions that they do not have or at inflated valuations.
This was Old Mutual Money Matters. For more information, go to oldmutual.com.na.